effortless with the KitchenAid 5-speed Ultra Power hand mixer. Mix, whip, blend, and knead everything from whipped cream to milkshakes to bread dough. The powerful, lightweight motor is designed for quiet, lifelong operation. And turbo beater accessories prevent clogging, evenly mix ingredients, and make cleanup effortless. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
All right, I was going to show this new mixer here. It has 5 different speeds. When you want to, I'll go ahead and grab one of these here real quick. Insert it in here, just kind of give it a push. To get it off, you just push the button and it comes right out. I wish I could pronounce the name of it, but it's awful difficult. But I'm going to go ahead and just put these 2 in here. The other one in. Set it down. Crack the egg in here. Add the water and oil. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this on just 1. Oh, I got to get it in the proper lock here real quick. There we go. I'm going to put it on 1. And it works really good. It's quiet. And it mixes really well, as you can see from here. And it's I would recommend this one.